Hello grade 2s, today I'll be teaching you breakup addition sums or plus sums. I'll be showing you a new way of writing plus sums that will help you to plus bigger numbers together. So the easiest way to plus big numbers together is to first break them up. Now, last term and the beginning of this term we learned about decomposition or to break up. Now who can remember we broke up numbers into what and what? Into tens and units. So we first need to revise decomposition or to break up numbers before we can start with our break up plus sums. Decomposition is when we break up two-digit numbers into tens and units. Okay, let's do a few examples. So if I show you 68, 68 is a 60 plus a 8. 24 equals a 20 plus a 4. So you must tell me how many tens are there and how many units. 51 has 5 tens, so it's a 50 plus a 1. 16, how many tens does 16 have? Only 1, so it's a 10 plus a 6. Now let me show you how to do your break-up plus sums. Number 1, 25 plus 34. The first thing we do is we break up 25. 25 gives us a 20 and a 5. Now we're going to break up 34. 34 gives us a 30 and a 4. We're going to plus these two together. The 20 plus 30 gives us 50. 5 plus 4 gives us 9. Now, the two answers that you got, you're going to write the 50 at the bottom. 50 plus the 9, you just move them down to the bottom and you plus those two together, which gives you 59. We always write the answer in color and then you can also fill it in at the top. Let's do number 2. 31 plus 23. So what's the first step? Break up. Let's break up 31. 31 gives us a 30 plus a 1 and 23, a 20 and a 3. Now we plus them together. So let's do the first sum. 30 plus 20 gives us 50. 1 plus 3 gives us 4. Now what do we do next? We write it at the bottom. What do we write at the bottom? Our answers. So the 50 moves down, 50, and we move the 4 down. 50 plus 4 gives us 54, and we write it at the top. Number 3. 12 plus 22 equals what? Let's break up 12. It's a 10 and a 2. 22, break up 22 gives us a 20 and a 2. Now we plus them together. 10 plus 20 gives us 30. 2 plus 2 gives us 4. Now we write the 30 at the bottom and the 4 at the bottom, plus it together equals 34. And we write it at the top. Let's look at number 4. 21 plus 45. What do we do first? We break up. 21 gives us a 20 and a 1. 45 gives us a 40 and a 5. We plus these answers together. 20 plus 40 gives us 60. 1 plus 5 gives us 6. Now we write it at the bottom. The 60 goes down and the 6. 60 plus 6 gives us 66 and we write it at the top. Now please complete the worksheet in your booklet. Send your teacher a picture of your completed sum so that we can see how clever you are. Well done, grade 2s. Bye.